Welcome back to Aside Hot, the senior brother for the television stations when they inside the Bodo the world. Wazobia TV, Star Times, channel 195. What we discuss today now, a very important issue as it get to do with our behavior and our government. We look government and indiscipline, how we go take fit, repair them, based on some things wey happen inside the Ekiti State and Cross River State earlier before. The governor come meet some workers them, we come late and then lock them outside. We go dey look say how we go take fit do our own contribution to make government work, because if they no pay salary, the thing go cause quarrel, and at the end of the day, plenty wahala go dey inside the matter.
So right about now, we would expect calls from our viewers, so that make them also tell us what they feel about this issue, which kind of action they feel say yes, government will take to make sure say at least they put discipline down, make they very, very firm in the system, so that at least person will not say yes, so I get responsibility. That responsibility, it get duration, it get timing, it get commitment and all that. Say all these things. Say now what they're supposed they do. So now what we also they expect make our callers and make them call.
It just they make my body sweet because.
Waiting. I may not talk again. As if I know they. I don't tell you. I know the discipline. Why do they talk? Say as if I. Look, you know me very well.
You know what I want to talk.
No, I know what you want to talk. Now because of what I talk now. I
want to talk. Say Governor Ayodele Fayose. Governor Ayodele Fayose don't set very big example.
Hey, don't give me that. Just hold that talk to yourself. Don't do it.
But him be action governor.
Not only be action governor, we will get.
Him be responsible governor.
I don't know about that.
Him be serious governor.
I don't know. But
he don't show say he know him work. He don't show say he go do am well. He don't show say the people of Ekiti State need to sit up so that government go work.
No, let this
so that they
aspect
go
of
move the country forward.
Governance would they check.
For now.
Make we also see others.
For now.
Make we see results from others.
For now.
Punctuality. Whether in government they this thing capable and strong. Not because of say he come this in secretariat can't say yes you came late or yeah waiting make now come late where they can't prostrate from can't they beg am.
No, that's not enough. No be you talk am for here now say we need people when we say if we drop law finish we go dey enforce am. No be you use your mouth talk am.
Yeah, I said so.
Now this action, this serious.
Don't you get what I'm saying?
I don't get what you are saying.
Said, this is one part of his own job as a governor.
And now waiting with the look be that.
There are other aspects of him being a governor. Other side, we never check him to know how capable he is.
But for this one,
Oga Polycarp, hold on. Oga Polycarp is calling us from Enugu. Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Chibode.
Oga Polycarp, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
How are they?
We dey fine.
I like Ayo Fayose. You never hear anybody. Mm-hmm. I'd like to speak and do action rather than trying to deceive people.
Okay.
That is what I'm talking about our president. Let him use action to follow any issue you want to do.
Very true.
If you do it, like all this look at what is going on in Egypt. They don't indict some people there. I think there's not to death, but let them put them for prison. Let them charge them to court. And the quicker and they make the ginger the judicial system so that they speed up their procedures. What Fayose did, it did good. Because I'm going to say that too much time we spend with the military, it don't make us a little bit more conscious. I think we should impose something like a meritocracy so that it will change us for up. All these people, when they play with government work, if you put them for private business or private work, they never try it. Because not saying that straightforward kickers will kick them out.
True.
But when they come to government work, they get to play. If they say they're not going to pay you tomorrow, they begin to make noise. So I think what he said should be emulated everywhere in the whole country. I remember the time where Colonel Anthony Chife was the governor of Enugu State, Enugu Anambra State.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes he do that kind of thing, go to secretaries. Sometimes he enter bus in mosques. I know this is what we talk about the government going on. These type of things should be done. Or not be going to use fear where this is going to happen put for people's mind. We're not going to fear, we're not going to run away. We have no other country to go to. Ghana did it and the discipline returned back to Ghana. Interpol did it and they did it. Even in China itself, they're still doing it. So we should not be an exception. Even if let the report like let the top with them, whatever they like. They cannot. They have their own system of administration there. We have to have our own system as well.
Polycarp, thank you very much.
Wait. Two of you should be very careful because of the time where you go first, who be come out your cap, and then who go come out in coat. A chief can never remove his traditional cap from his head before his subject.
Okay.
Yeah, we look at subject to people, so you have to control your anger. Not to use it on people, please.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp.
You don't hear that?
No, now me and you give the warning.
You don't hear that?
Now me and you the advice.
Waiting talk first, cap before waiting.
No.
Cap
as long as they
waiting.
mention suit, say the unbutton suit.
In discipline.
In discipline from your own
Amina
angle.
from Mina. In discipline.
It don't do you. Amina, good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, Amina. How Mina today?
Fine, no.
I hope so. Now governor self, now action governor.
He's very active. Yes.
No, could hear you.
So ask question, please.
Okay.
Cool TV is not working since this 2 days ago. I don't know why.
Okay, Amina, that one, it be like say, now for your area, but we go carry this report, give our technical people, our experts them, and then go find them out, carry out the necessary action. But thank you for this important information when you just give us. I don't know whether you want to contribute to join this talk when we discuss.
Please stop attacking Chukudi. Stop attacking Nkubi, please.
Okay.
Amina, thank you very much. Thank you. You hear him?
Why you going to thank her?
No, make a state with me. I'm talking. I'm not talking Chukudi. Stop attacking Nkubi. See, yes. So I mean, these are Nigerians. So say, yes, say the truth. They always come from me, and me. When I mean truth, I mean everything what they talk about truth, the day inside. So I don't know of you. That's why it's
you know even show off the talk when you talk.
How?
Now why you close your eyes say me everything when they
now the passion I get
your conscience no one agree
now the passion I get for the truth wey dey inside me
your conscience no one agree the talk come out
now the passion wey dey for the truth wey I dey talk now make me close my say no.
But you hear wetin Oga Polycarp talk.
You don't do
all our governors need to take a cue.
Ogo they call us. Good morning, Ogo.
Hello. Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, Ogo.
How on a day?
We dey fine.
Make a take side shoot my small.
Okay.
First of all, I must commend Ekiti State Governor for his good heart, and also my dear Governor also, Ben Ayade. Our people they talk say, now the one where lion do good, now they hear, but they never ever hear the one where good do lion. Okay. So now, those people now, if a time they sit up. Because good say they fight for them so that they will be paying their salary. Then on the other hand, they no one help government. Good, they make sense. So to my own advice, I believe so they go set up panel. People go to monitor them. We go monitor when you come in. Maybe when they cut you first day, second day, the third day, my brother, they don't fire you.
Thank you.
Now my own belief and my own advice be that.
Okay, thank you very, very much. This contribution now contribution of great discipline. And I dey very, very sure say Nkubi don't accept them. I dey very, very sure say Nkubi you don't accept them. We should stop, I go speak English. We should stop making excuses. We should stop making excuses for certain actions and blaming the government, holding the government solely responsible. Governance na like clock, we dey always dey talk am. Everybody get their own role to play. If you dey collect your salary and you dey work for the state civil service, when we say the contribution wey you dey bring go move the state forward, you dey come late to work. Don't just blame it on say they no get laws, they need to implement the law. Governor no need to dey go secretariat first before 8 o'clock before you know say I need to go work early. The passion na it suppose dey push you, na it suppose dey propel you, na it suppose dey drive you. Na wetin we dey talk. Yusuf from Abuja sef go talk the same thing. You go hear am. Oga Yusuf, good morning, sir. And don't point me with Bible. Never you ever point me with Bible. To me, it's an insult. Oga Yusuf, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Yusuf.
After I greet and good morning 2 times, you call
Oga Yusuf, good morning.
Now you don't want to talk again. You don't see him.
You don't do.
You don't see him.
You don't do.
You don't see him. Good morning. Two good morning already.
They feel like orator. They feel like orator. Just they talk. That just they look you. They look you as you. They talk. Do man. You say for your own mind. They try. Make me accept all the things where they talk.
Because I'm speaking the truth. The truth shall set you free.
The
truth shall set you free.
The truth will start by setting you free.
Oh, so you no one free?
No, I'm already freed. I've been freed already. But the truth shall start by setting you in Chukudi, Ezugu, Cyprus, free.
No, they call my 3 names. If
No,
you want to talk, waiting song.
Ogobiora, talk to us. Don't do you. Don't do you. Respect
Good morning,
yourself.
Chukwudi.
Good morning, Ogobiora.
Chukwudi, how are you today?
We did fine.
You see, this our topic today. What I like it is that many people, they do that thing.
Thank you.
Especially people waiting under government.
Thank you.
If you go to state local government headquarters now, you will not see even one person there. You go count them 1, 2, 3, 4. But immediately the salary comes. If you hear say they don't bring the allocation, come to Secretary and see people. So if government workers will not work, why should they expect money? And again, as governor can't go there, go out, good. But governor is supposed to set standards that even if it's not there, the work will still go well. See our guy here for Adamawa here. When they talk of Bellas fund, would they hear say that our own Bellas fund here, they don't come and go buy the proof van. No, we need 200,000 for prayer. That one no follow. So when you look at it, you see that we need many corruption full everywhere, and all these things is something that will tackle, not probing. We must follow everywhere and find out, and the workers must repent because when they change, you could be understand now.
Yeah, no, we know.
That is the slogan, and we need to see them practically. Thank you very much. Have a nice
Thank you very much, Ogobiora, for your contribution.
All the
for
way
your
from
contribution.
Yola. All the way from
Why they
Yola.
raise hand up?
All the way from Yola.
What in Ogobiora talk? No bad now. Of course, now normal to
And he
every
give
person.
example of the governor and how the governor they do. You know Yeram? You know Yeram?
Michael is calling us from Yaba. Good morning, Michael.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yeah.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Oga Michael, I throw salute.
Well done.
Thank you very much.
They enjoyed this on a program.
Thank you very much, sir.
I put mouth for this today matter.
Okay.
What I want to talk with you see what in Fayose do. You know, na very nice thing, na very good thing.
Okay.
Just like a wake-up call
Okay.
for the workers in that particular ministry. You know, civil servant. I want to confirm saying a civil servant for that state, now the workers are the.
Yes.
But there is one example where I go like side, then I'm gonna compare it with that one way happen.
Okay.
You know, there's sometimes, you know, if you beat Peking with right hand, you know, you go use the left.
Yeah, bring them back, yeah.
You know. So, and apart from that one again, you see, when God, they create the world, he used the Holy Spirit. Those Holy Spirit now vanguard force. When I mean vanguard force, to actualize on certain things. When they say, they pronounce. Those Holy Spirit, they actualize as in vanguard force. And if you should look at it into the ministry, like civil servant are also now vanguard force to government. You know? So now, what I want to try look, you see, I know say what if I should do na better thing. But does it mean that before him they ignore them, I bet they perform their duties?
Thank you.
So now what I want to try make a look into, because if actually the ministry, the civil servant, they perform their duty correctly before, then definitely that particular state is supposed to go more than that. Or either they are working, but the governor, you know, they recognize their action before, you know, they recognize their work, or ignore them. So those areas, I want to try to compare them. Whether they do their work to support the government or did they do before. And apart from that, again, there are some other things. I don't say in Nigerian civil servant, there are so many things, problems where they happen for things that because sometimes non-charlatan attitude, they do work in time. But some certain times, again, environmental area for work actually matters. If actually the environment is conducive for them, you know, say there's a certain kind of work where we say, if you come up for your house, you go to happy till you reach there, you go happy. Because the environment of work, differently.
No differently,
they're motivating. You understand? The salary alone, salary can serve as a motivation. And at the same time, it can also serve not as motivation. Because if, for example, now, they work in an environment where we say they are paying you very good salary, and the environment of place of work is not conducive, then that motivation will die. You will not be giving out your best. So I want to make the government also look at
from different angles,
from different angles, not the area of say because they come late or the way they do. What will make them? What will be the factor where they make them they behave like that? So now that one my contribution. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much for this breakdown, for this analysis. As that is, make we also look at okay, the action they appropriate, but waiting with those things where it is we also feel make those workers do it. No, they come work early. Make we collect this call from Joseph. Joseph, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Joseph.
Good morning, Mr. MPP.
Good morning,
Oga Joseph.
Good morning, Mr. Studio.
Good morning, sir.
Please, make I just propose for this contribution.
Okay.
When Oga Governor Ben Ayade of Cross River State and that of Ekiti State, a good example.
Okay.
Which every other governors
Suppose
and
follow
government
suit.
are supposed to be followed. Now, the issue of discipline, actually we know that discipline they cause corruption.
True.
Okay.
What they this suggest now, the government should do. Because at the time now, our judicial system is 2 days weak. Now, if government can make bylaws whereby if such action as it happened as it said happen, government fit take action based on the law, as on ground immediately and sanction people that are involved. Today in our divisional system, if you go to public schools, you see a lot of indiscipline there. It is because people at the top of the government, they know they go walk around, they go check everything they go on in all those private government institutions. That's why today everybody wants to go to private school. What happened to the public school? It's because of the discipline where they get. Workers when they take work serious, they don't go to school in time. And all those things that affect the life of the state. So if government can make law, by law, what is if you are caught doing those things, those sanctions will follow immediately. So they say they will waste time the main trial the case for court and all of that thing. So if government will do that, it was sharp. Well, because I don't know why government will pay workers money and then workers there's no commitment because there's nothing that can make them to incite fear that if I not set up to my work well, this thing will happen. If there's an example that if we are not doing my work well, this thing will happen. Because people go fear. Because they work early, you sit down and do your work. So now what I want to talk about.
Thank you very much, Oga Joseph. Thank you for your contribution.
Oga Joseph, you don't make very, very important points.
Now, still waiting up with the talk. Say, look, okay.
No, be waiting the talk.
No. Don't tell me no. Don't know my no. Why could they know my no? What's the meaning of that?
No, be talk the talk.
I say no. Hold on. Of course, he said something, but let me say what I want to say before you say you now no me. What's the meaning of that? I'll be talk here. Say, look, okay. Waiting be the strict measure, waiting be that thing where we say, okay, if there is a law on ground, say, okay, if worker come late, see the action they take. How effective are these laws? How effective then they carry out these laws for you to be able to at least, for that discipline to take, for that discipline to at least be effective?
Could be laws day, I be laws no day. Laws day, they very, very clear, say laws day. If
but
you
how
come late,
firm are these laws? How firm are these laws being carried out?
They go carry hammer.
Chukudi, just relax, hold on, because right about now, because with the way they do me, if I follow on with you, you know go like him.
Nothing what you fit.
Make we quickly go for this break.
Excuse me.
Hey, may I go for break? We'll go for break. When we come back, we'll enter the final.
Welcome back to Aside Hot. We don't reach the final bus stop, and from where we stand, we dey see the end of the show. What we dey discuss today? Now, government and indiscipline. How we go take fit to repair them? Eziku Chukudi and Unku be there inside studio, and now wetin we dey discuss be that. Unku be there very, very good. May we point them out. Say today we just dey talk about government. Most times we don't need to talk about government. We dey also dey talk about people wey dey work for government, but we also need to talk about we, the people, when we say the government they preside over. As the people when we say they rule the country. Now, we get one particular mindset, the mindset of say, when we enter government, it no belong to anybody. Make we do the way when we take like. Now, you go make person go wake up, finish. You know, say they work for where government they pay our money. You go come inside say won't go at any time. Many people they even talk say that they find government work because government work now like honeymoon. If we continue with that mindset, our country no go fit move forward. So government go do their own. Me, I believe say every responsible government don't put down laws. If laws no day, they no go talk say 8 o'clock. May you go log gate. And as people know say governor don't get there before 8, now I make them the wrong call because they know say law day and punishment day to follow. But my own argument now is say governor no need to carry waka go before people come sit up. E suppose dey our mind.
Okay,
That's what I'm talking about.
But Chukudi, may I also bring this in from this angle? Okay, wait, if you listen to it in Oga Michael talk, Oga Michael said something about working environment. So how conducive this working environment dey? Okay, but before I will continue, make me collect this call from Oga Prince. Oga Prince, they call us from Owerri. Good morning, Prince.
Good morning, Kubi. How are you?
We dey fine. We dey fine.
Good morning.
Oga Prince, I throw a salute.
How na dey?
We dey fine.
Fine.
They try since Monday and Tuesday, and I know they pick my computer. Thank God, I don't pick them today.
Prince. We
On
thank
Monday,
you,
why
say
they
you
call,
still
say make I
call.
greet Kubi. Make I greet Kubi. I say don't come back. I think Kubi welcome. Oh.
Thank you
Even
very
I
much.
get many things why I say I go report to you, but I don't know.
No, people don't tell me already.
Many allegations where
people don't
lay
tell
on
me.
your head. One, you say they go plug.
Oga Prince.
Hello.
Who they hear Jare right on?
Second, you say they go look for wife, and the type of wife wey they look, now the type of wife will be like this type of way they there. When they there.
Hey!
Third
I
one,
don't
you
hear
say,
this one.
per one where you carry now water way full up.
I don't
I
hear this
want you to sue him for what you call assassination of character. Assassination of character. That's the way you go sue him. Assassination of character. You don't kill your character like this.
Oga Prince, thank you for this information you just give me now.
And you go tell them at least 100, something like 100 billion.
Yes, now
I think when you go pay for this.
I go know it now. Hey! Oga
Make him
Prince,
go by
I
make him go by Yasa, go bring money when go pay you.
Yes, Oga Prince, I will take action. But on this matter, we get to talk.
Thing where Oga Fire say do na good thing, but every governor wey enter they do the same thing, no be new thing.
Okay.
They do this thing all the time, all the governor they
Hey, Oga Prince, they talk. Oga Prince, they talk. Oh, Chukudi. I know say now your spirit go down somehow cut that call from the way I see am. So all this, I don't even hear this one. Size.
I'm innocent.
Oh my God,
All
Victor.
I'm innocent.
Oga Victor from Zamfara, good morning. I'm coming back to you.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Echikude, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Victor from Zamfara.
In fact, this story today, na very good one.
Thank you.
Person go marry, carry fake palm wine, whatever they. Na the same thing we dey talk about.
Thank you.
So Nkubi, welcome from your sojourn. I have not greeted you. That is why.
Thank you very much, Oga Victor.
I'm greeting you now. I say make they give me phone number. Make I tell you where you collect better palm wine. They no give me. No problem. So actually, indiscipline now the major problem where they get for this Nigeria.
Mm-hmm.
Now the major problem where they get for this Nigeria. For civil service, in fact, many people don't they now the major thing. People no go come work at all. Some people, if they come, they will come very, very late.
Mm-hmm.
Some, even when they come, they go sit down, begin the gist, doing nothing.
Mm-hmm.
By the end of the month, they go, now them go be the first people to complain, say they never pay them. So now what we expect our president to do, to follow suit, waiting for your should do, this good example. They say every governor they do them. No, every governor they do them. Here why they need to do them. In fact, like person wake up from Obi or talk. Here, come to local government from the beginning of the month to the end of the month, you no go see anybody. But when month don't end, that place don't become market.
But Oga
So
Victor,
that's what it be. People say they come.
Oga Victor.
So when person leave what he is supposed to do another thing, what you will call him?
Thank you.
Like the same
Indiscipline.
indiscipline. You carry person from man of war, carry him do Inspector General of Police because na a person. Na indiscipline. Make we change this country. Now what you will they talk?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, thank you very much,
Let's
Oga
change
Victor. But yet, may I quickly also state this thing? Oga Michael will talk one thing, and Oga Victor also can't do his thing, can also talk on that thing to Oga Michael talk. Okay, see what they talk. He talks say, okay, if the working environment where no be friendly environment, maybe say you could just come, maybe say you just relax.
Waiting no be friendly environment.
Work no day.
Waiting no be friendly environment. How you go say work no day there for them to do?
Hold on.
Why they come rush come when they hear say governor don't dey there? That's not an excuse. That's not an excuse.
You don't let me land. Igwe, good morning. Talk to us. Igwe, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Okay, Igwe, I greet you.
See, what I want to say. This governor that they are talking, he do this, he do that. Himself, now 4 o'clock they come work. 4 o'clock. In fact, the early he can come to work is 12 o'clock. 1, 2.
Don't say anything.
Don't say anything.
He's calling from Ekiti. He's calling from Ekiti.
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
You dey work for your office?
I Ekiti now. They live in Ekiti. I know what is going on.
You live for Ekiti.
He lives in Ekiti.
You dey work for your office.
And yes, I get a friend when they work there.
You get a friend.
Chukudi, don't you agree with me?
Chukudi, I know you defeat it. Let me talk. And one thing again is, when you stay for working place for 8 o'clock, they said they're doing 18,000 naira minimum wage. 18,000 when no reach the one they are paying the person in the ticket here, no reach anything. Probably there's no money for somebody to enter motor and he's waiting for somebody to carry him and wait until 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is time to get to work. When himself is coming to work 4 o'clock. Yes? It's not, he has not done something out of place that another government has never done.
Thank you very much. This one where you talk, I go stand with my 2 legs. I go stand. In fact, you come from Ekiti. No,
girlfriend when they work there.
No.
Hold on.
Igwe's statement no dey verifiable.
But he said
talk say they
live
for Ekiti, but he get person when they live for there.
When they work there.
This governor, first and foremost, the civil service get his own rules. The governor as a person get his own roster. The governor as a person get his own roster.
Yes.
The governor fit decide say okay, based on saying they find things for the state, in they travel, in they do this, in they do that. Governor they get resumption time and closing time for office because he's supposed to be on seat. But for you to talk say this governor now so time when they come, he dey very very wrong. That's making an excuse for indiscipline. And now what you do Nkubi? Now what you do before this show starts? And now what your guy you go from Ekiti State don't do. After all, now only one person support you. The remaining 70 people now me their support. So it's clear Nigerians are against indiscipline. We must join our hand together and kick indiscipline out.
Which topic we talk about?
Government and indiscipline.
Yesterday you mentioned 419. You're a typical 419. You, from what you just said, you're 419. Boldly written 419.
Boldly written.
Make I address what I talk. So what be the talk before Chukudi? Oga Michael and Oga Victor talk one thing. I can say okay, working environment. What they provide work activities, what they provide operation for a particular sector. Not be once things they in place. Not be once okay the government in place. They also work so at least people.
They collect their salary.
People go stay up.
People they collect their salary.
They go stay up.
People they collect their salary.
They go stay up activities for the secretariat. Not be when they work. Go also provide reason for people to also work.
Don't finish for your mouth. Rather than our people waiting for us. They always talk to Nigeria and our country. You know. Allow me to end the show now.
No ever talk don't finish my mouth.
What you gonna do? Nigeria and our no they point me barrel. Nigeria and our country.
End this thing first. End down.
If I end, what you go do? Okay, our people want it. We come back again tomorrow. Make we see. Oh yeah, end down. Do your worst. No, do your worst. Tell them bye first because tomorrow if you no come. No, they come here.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.